Today, we're going to show you how to replace a Toyota Corolla Key Fob battery. This is going to work on both the 3-button and 4-button versions of the Toyota Corolla Key. It does require a CR2016 battery. We've got the link down in the description below, so check that out. It's going to help you replace the Key Fob battery for the Corolla 2016. There's a little tab on one side of the Toyota Key. You're just going to put your screwdriver in there, and then you're going to twist. That's going to open this up. I recommend you turn it with the key facing side down, or the button side facing down, and that's going to allow those buttons to stay in there so they don't fall out. If they do, it's going to take you a little bit more time. So put those buttons face down because they're just held in with this module. So we just pry that out, use a screwdriver, and that's going to get you to the battery module. And you can see those keys aren't really held in with anything other than the battery module. So it's important to do that, and it's a tip a lot of people don't know. So here, what you've got is a little ledge, and there's some writing on the back here. It says, use coin to open. So we're just gonna take that little ledge, we're gonna take our screwdriver, and we're going to pop right here where it says use a coin, but we're gonna use a screwdriver, and that gives us access to the battery compartment right there. Now, it's got some very fragile little plastic pieces that hold the battery in. Just be careful prying this out. You don't wanna break those plastic pieces. It's just going to make it more harder. So take that and take your old CR2016 battery out. Very important when you insert the new 2016 battery. You're going to throw that in. You want to make sure the plus side is facing up. That's super important. It won't work if the plus side isn't facing up so that you can see it. Once we've got that battery in there, we're going to take our compartment cover and we're going to put it back on the key fob internals. So there we go. And now we're going to put the Toyota Corolla Key Fob internals back into the key, and we're going to click the cover in place, and there you go. That is how you change a Toyota Corolla Key Fob battery or a Toyota Corolla Key Fob. So thank you for watching. Please give us that thumbs up and subscribe. It does help support the channel when you do either of those things, or leave a comment. Or you can click on the link below to get the 2016 Key Fob battery. That does also help support us, and it helps us bring you great content in the future and hopefully let you do things more DIY so you can save yourself a little bit of money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.